Happy morning, children. Today you are going to know about the area and perimeter. Punagi children is going to say about the area and perimeter formula of the shapes. Please listen carefully.
Area. Area. Occupied surface of an object is called area. Perimeter. Some of the boundaries of a shape is called perimeter. Triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half bs square units. Perimeter of triangle. Sum of three sides of a triangle. Units. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square units. Perimeter of equilateral triangle 3a units. Rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B units. Trapezium 1 by 2 into H into A plus B square units.